Hello everyone, today I will show you how to make header different space in Google Docs. Open your Docs file. Now select insert option and select header and type header. And header already showing here and type your header here. And now show this. All of this header are now showing same. Click here. Now click this page. Now select insert option and break and select a continuous break section. Now double click on this header and see this section to already create and uncheck here. Now type new header here and make here double 8 kb and click in here and see this first page header and second page header now different, and same way you can make this page header different. Insert break continuous and double click here and see this section 3 already create and uncheck and type your header here double 9. Now click here and see this space header now different. In this way you can change all of this spaces header and a specific header you can add. Yeah, this is. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.